Hello, welcome back to the Trading Insight channel. My apologies, I've not been posting for about 3 weeks now. I was actually a little bit busy. I had things going on, so it took my time. The time I should have made videos, it took a whole lot of time from me. But by God's grace, I'm back. I was supposed to make a video for you guys on order block, but due to what I was doing, I could not create time to make that video. But with God's grace, I'm back and I'll make more videos subsequently. And you know the normal times I post my videos. I do post my videos on Saturdays in the evening between the hours of 6 or 7. If you've not watched any of my videos yet, you've not watched the videos on market structure, supply and demand, I would advise you to go back and watch those videos or click the link in the description box, because I'll drop the links there for you to go back and watch those videos. So, or at the end of this video, you will get a link to go and watch those videos. So go back and watch those videos so you can understand in this series of smart money concepts I'm taking you guys on. And also, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, guys. Before I forget, turn on your notification bell when you subscribe so that YouTube will notify you when I post a new video. Same time next week, because I post my videos on Saturday at an hour of 6 to 7. Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we will be talking about order block and how to spot order blocks in the market and what order blocks is all about. And I'm very sure that at the end of this video, you will be able to spot order blocks in the market. You'll be able to trade from order block zone. So let's dive right in. I don't want to take this video for too long. Then, what is an order block? You can say an order block is a key concept tied to the activities of institutional traders such as banks or legal financial institutions. Or if I want to bring it to a layman's word, I can say, or a beginner's understanding, I can say an order block is like a secret area on a forex chart where the big players like the institutional traders and the banks, the big boys, players in the market make their moves. So order blocks are zones that the institutional traders leave their footprint in the market. They are big zones which price would always come back to play around those zones. Those institutional traders, they will always come back to those zones to take out those zones and to also mitigate those zones. So I'm gonna be taking you guys on examples of order block. Like I said, I don't want to keep this video for too long. Just want to make it brief. Then on our next video we'll be talking about support and resistance. It's a very key concept in trading forex. If you can put all these videos I'm giving you guys together, you'll be very okay. Should I say you? Let me not put it. You'll be 90% accurate with your trade. Let me say you'll be 75 to 80% accurate with your trade if you can put these videos together. These videos I'm giving you guys are videos that most times you pay mentors to get, because the thing is that they will not give you this video at once. They are always gonna give you these videos bit by bit. If you pay to learn, when you're done learning market structure, the foundation and everything, you're done learning this, you now have to pay for another course to learn an advanced trading, which they will now include supply and demand, support, and you just pay and learn all those things. But I'm giving you everything. You can take everything into one piece, then honestly you would trade better like professionals. So take this video very serious, most especially when I post about support and resistance. That is a very strong concept in forex, support and resistance. You cannot ignore support and resistance. So that's the next video I'll be talking about. Okay, back to order blocks. So order blocks are zones in the market which the institutional traders leave their footprint behind. Okay, let's look at some few examples on the live chart here. Okay, this is a weekly time frame. using the weekly time frame, because I would always advise you, if you're looking for a high probability order block, you have to go with the higher time frame. Then you can now go down, like scale it down to a lower time frame and refine it. So from the weekly time frame here, this is our order block. That last bearish candlestick before the bullish move, that is our order block. And this was a break of structure here. Whenever there is a break of structure, the lowest low that led to the impulsive move that broke that structure, you will always spot your order block there. Like, look at what happened after it broke structure. Price tried to come down, tried, and it could not. And finally, it came down and filled that order block here. Touch the order block, which is it's buying back upward again. So that's an order block. This is another block. If I wanted to trade, I will scale down to maybe the 4 hours or the daily time frame to draw that zone properly. So that is another block. This is also another block. Forget about this spike in price. Price spiked below here. Sometimes it's the news might affect this, but this is not a break of structure. Instead, this is price mitigating this other block here. Just that there was an incoming news at that moment. So let's check for something else. Okay, this is another block too. Price retested this place. This is another block. See what happened. But if I want to draw, I'll draw with this full candlestick, this bullish candlestick here below. But this is another block, and price retested this place, retested this other block. I want you guys to see, I want you guys to look very well. This is also another block. After this break of structure, price came back to retest that low. So this is another block. I drew it with this bullish candlestick because of the long wick of that bullish candlestick. So this is another block here. This is another block, and price came back and retested it after the break of structure. That was the same thing here itself too. I didn't even notice this. After this break of structure here, let me draw it this way. Sorry, I'm drawing it that way. Price came back and retested this other block here. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm showing you. So that was price retest. This is another one. This candlestick is very long. So price came back and retest. This one is on a lower, is on a downtrend right now. Price came back and retested this other block. It touched at the wick. So that's also another block. Let me see something else. So this was the break of structure, and price came back and retested this other block. This is another block. If I should scale down to the lower time frame, this is another block. So that's just it about other block. You would always spot out other blocks after a break of structure. Thank God I made a video on supply and demand, because if you understand the concept of supply and demand, you won't find it difficult to understand these other blocks. So other blocks are actually good. Don't worry, when I make a video on support and resistance and you bring all these videos together, you would get to understand more in-depth analysis on markets, on the forex markets rather. Get to understand more in-depth analysis. You'll be able to explain to people. When you're making an analysis, you'll be able to see clear points to explain to people. Also, I'll teach you guys how to do multi-time frame analysis. That is, running your analysis from the weekly or monthly time frame down to the daily time frame. I'll do a video on that, because that actually helped me a lot to understand the chart and read the chart, because you have to work with the higher time frame, because what you see in the lower time frame are all noise. What is actually going on the higher time frame is actually the main thing, but on the lower time frame, all those things you see are noise all over. It's just some form of distraction to distract you. So you would lose to these brokers, you would lose to them. So if you want to be successful, you have to go with the higher time frame. You have to trade with the higher time frame, and that's where the big banks, the big boys, the institutional traders are trading with. They go with the higher time frame. So you have to go with them in order to be profitable. So guys, I think I will end this video here, because I didn't want to keep this video for so long. I didn't want to take it for long. Just wanted to show you some few things about order block. My next video is coming up next week, next Saturday by the same time, we'll be talking about support and resistance. Please don't miss that video for any reason. Support and resistance is a very vital topic in in forex trading. Honestly, support and resistance is a very vital topic. Please don't miss that video for any reason. You can understand support and resistance, highs and lows, supply and demand, and the rest. You are very good to go in this journey. I know a lot of people buy courses, and yeah, most of those courses you buy, at the end you don't even understand what you want, and they don't open up everything to you. You would have to purchase another course that will tell you a different thing totally. That will tell you something different, something they would have put it into one and tell you at once, but they'll teach you a particular topic, and then you need to buy another course to purchase, as in to get knowledge on a new other topic. So, but these videos I'm giving you are actually videos that will help you skyrocket your trading. It will change a whole lot about the way you see trading. So don't miss that video for any reason. I'll be posting that video same time next week, which is on Saturday. I'll be posting that video same time next week on this platform. So do not miss that video for any reason. I post my videos on Saturdays around 6 or 7. If I'm too late to post on Saturdays, I reschedule it to Sunday, but my official posting days are always on Saturdays. So I'll be dropping that video on support and resistance, so don't fail to watch it. And also, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell in order to get notified when I post that new video. And also, if you've not watched my previous video, please go back and watch the previous video on market structure and supply and demand. It will help you. If you can bring all these videos together, it will actually help you a whole lot. You would learn more faster than you've been learning in forex, and you will understand a whole lot of things. I'm very happy that I'm making this video for you guys. I'm happy I'm helping you guys also. I'm happy I'm showing you guys and enlightening you guys on this, because forex is a very lonely is a very lonely road. There's a whole lot of obstacles, but when you are able to overcome those obstacles and you get the right information at the right time, you are good to go. So guys, thank you for staying all through this video, and thank you for following me on this SMC mentorship program. Till I come your way same time next week. And before I forget, please don't forget to drop your comment on this particular video. Please drop your comment on what you think or what you feel about this video, or your questions on this video, and also like and share this video so that other people will see it.